So I'm back and I'm doing this video just to tell you what I've been up to and why I've been missing in the last couple of weeks. So let's get started from the start. My father died a couple of weeks ago and I had to fly back to my home country and, well, take care of stuff. Not only that my father died, but also led to a couple of legal problems, which I'm still battling, which will hopefully be resolved in 1 or 2 weeks. And then I can go back and focus on my regular stuff. Now, this part of why I haven't been recording was the way I felt. But actually, the way I felt was not necessarily because of the decease of my father, because I'm a big boy, and I'm now the oldest man in my family. So, but it also took up a lot of energy taking care of stuff. And I don't know if you guys or girls already had encountered losing your parents or one of your parents, but it takes a toll on you. So yeah, so as I said, it led to a couple of legal problems. I had to take care of them. Also, my mother is helping me with those problems. And I just didn't have the energy to sit down and create a useful video for you, because that's what you're watching. You're watching for getting useful information. And if I don't have the energy, then it's going to be a blah, 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 blah. So, but I was active. I was, before that, already working out a couple of great stuff, I think. You can always see it in the background. It is one of the courses, one of the big courses that I'm preparing, which are, this one is 10 financial apps that you will have the pleasure soon to discover. Now, the plan is to release this course by the end of this year. I don't think I'm going to make it till the end of November, hopefully to the end of December. If not, that I'm honestly telling you, I do not have the time that leads into enough energy to create all of them. So hopefully I'm going to get this one done till the end of this year. If not, I'm going to post a couple of videos and I'm going to keep you up to date. This is going to be an intermediate course, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and it's going to be a lot of fun, a lot of useful information. I like to do useful stuff. Okay, everyone, so with this being said, this is kind of it for the video. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're all healthy, and catch you next time. Bye-bye.